yan mamaya.
Oo. Pero you know what's nice for Dindin Santiago? She's playing for the first time without pressure of really carrying her team. Diba? Dati sa MU. Ngayon parang, I'll just play my game.
And you know that whatever rotation it is, meron at merong magde-deliver dyan.
That's right. That's how strong this mighty Army squad is. But of course, Meralco, you said earlier, they're out to prove that they deserve to be here in the third conference. And Shakey's V-League is powered by Motolite Battery, pang matagalan. Oh, what an ad-lib, but Abby Marano scores for Meralco. Abby Marano now serving for Meralco.
Oh. Straight to the net.
So here's the start of the first set. Pretty close for serving 3. Dindin Santiago, yes, she is sporting an Army jersey. May magtataka, Dindin? Army? Higpit. To Owanyo. Good block. Coverage was there. Morada.
Oh, the blocking of Philippine Army.
Yeah, obviously, yun yung magiging ace ng Army. They're blocking, no? Because you have these players, look at their average height. Salak setter is what? 6. Diba?
Oh.
They're also blocking will be their number 1 advantage. Salak.
Oh.
Gaga.
And again, itong Philippine Army team, they've been playing together for quite a while now. So gelling is really not a problem. Oo, not at all.
And you're right. In every position, may option. Parang
Oo,
all angles covered eh.
No matter what rotation they're at, there's somebody there who can deliver points.
Oh, Wanya hits that into the net. And the Army is increasing their lead. Santiago continues to serve. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Good serve. Kochuang hits that wide and going to our first technical timeout. Army is on top 8-3. We'll be back.
At ni Santiago for this conference. Ang sabi sa akin ni Coach Rico, this will be a big help for them dahil first time nilang makalaban ang Meralco Power Spikers na familiar naman para dito kay Dindin Santiago. Now also there will be 5 players who will be busy for this conference. Ito si Nanunag, Alarca, Sabas, Gonzaga, and Bautista dahil mag-undergo daw sila ng training nila bilang isang sundalo. Now although they will not be complete in some of their games, they will still try to prove that they are a team to beat for this conference. Meanwhile, for Team Meralco naman, according to Coach Brian, the team has been reformatted, although they are not a young team anymore, considering na karamihan nga dito ay may experience na sa paglaro, coming from DLSU, CSD, MU, and FEU, with the addition of their Thai import Kotruang and Japanese player Tan Misao, who we'll get to know later in the program or in my report. Back to you, Noreen.
Thanks, Rina. Well, that's right. Things that for Army, that's fact of life, that they have to undergo yung mga training, and of course, there will be games. Like, diba, pag collegiate, pag may exam, pag may
Sometimes you
OJT,
have to skip. Oo.
Yan, that's fact.
But in their case, syempre, the trainings that they need to undergo.
Oh, that's hard kasi alam natin maraming physical or mostly physical. But, yep, things to look out for also is for us to get to know a lot of the players courtesy of Rina Villamor. And that player, Stephanie Mercado, hits that into the net. Army with a comfortable 7-point lead early on here in the first set.
So far, itong Meralco, no, hinahana pa rin yung rhythm nila on the floor, seeing quite a few errors as well.
Oh, and we won't be surprised if Coach Brian Esquivel would bring in the other import, Misao Tanyama. And Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. It's coming.
The defense being challenged here by the offense of Philippine Army. And the Philippine Army making it look easy.
Yeah. They've been serving well. Well, aside from that's a good serve. Whoop! And Bautista just hits it over. Cotruang having to chase. Balse. Morada was there. Hingpit, Agno, Salak, Bautista.
Cotruang actually 2 tries but no good set.
That's right, and Meralco calls this timeout. Let's listen in.
Inisip natin, hindi natin na i-deliver ng maayos sa setter. Then, April, pagka lumayo receive, taas mo lang dahan-dahan, huwag mo rin madali. Masyado mabilis yung open natin. Ha? Tara, bawi tayo, bawi. Malayo pa yan. Kailangan natin trabaho sa loob.
Welcome back to the 11th season. This is the reinforced conference of the V-League. And Army looking like a well-oiled machine. It's 13-5. Hingpit, Salak, Bautista. Wow, good read by Agno.
Letting that one go. So far, they haven't really maximized the presence of Juanita Cotruang
Yes.
in front. Yung dalawang set sa kanya kanina, parehong alanganin kay Cotruang.
Actually, hindi pa siya nakakapalo.
Hindi pa. Lahat hinabol, ginawa ng paraan.
Well, obviously, the reception also of Meralco having problems kasi hindi rin makaset up itong si Hingpit. Sa panahon ng tag-ulan, iwasan ang dengue. Lion Tiger Katol ang gamitin. Proudly, Philippine made. Another point by Army in a commanding 9-point lead. Substitution. Yeah, we were talking about her. The other foreign player is Misao, the setter of Meralco in. Together with Hernandez. 15 serving 6. Mary Jean Balse serving. Good serve.
Oh.
Well, more miscues from Meralco and heading to the second technical timeout. Army with a 10-point lead, 16-6.
Case, I think itong si Cotruang, Wanda Cotruang, left that ball open thinking that Misao would actually run after the second ball. Pero yun nga wala man lang nagsabi ng mine or nobody actually shouted kung sino ba dapat ang kumuha.
Well, it's also a challenge for Meralco because you have a Thai, you have a Japanese. So,
which way is
Yeah, I mean, language barrier. Javi Maranio scoring a much-needed point for Meralco.
They need to get that point and make sure na hindi lumayo ng... Actually, sobrang layo na ng score ng Army ngayon. So they need to work on it 1 point at a time.
But you know, Ann, how sad it is for Meralco that the whole stint of Juanita Cotruang in the front, she didn't even get to spike.
Exactly. Nasayang yung rotation ngayon. Now they have to wait for that rotation na papasok na naman siya.
Yes.
Sa front line.
Another misreceive. Mercado, good dig by Bautista. Dakis.
So, a lot of miscues, miscommunication. Yung iniisip ng isang player, kukunin ng isa. Pero again, it just all boils down to akuin mo yung bola. You have to say that it's yours.
That's right. But a lucky break there for Meralco as a crossing violation on Dakis. So the point goes to Meralco. Combination play for Army. Dakis getting that point. 18-8. Still a 10-point lead for the Philippine Army. Good serve. Kanyama. Oh, now we can see, you're right, no? Nagkakapapa sila sa setting ni Misao. So you can see, normally running ni Maranyo is higher and longer, but Misao opted like a
Short. Because normally pag Japanese
Oo.
teams, the running attack is shorter, just right behind the setter.
saka quick, di ba?
Quick.
But you know, we know for a fact that makukuha din nila. You know, the gelling will come.
But I think for this set, they have to work on it and really adjust faster because if you're going up against a team like Philippine Army, no mercy itong team na
That's
to.
true. Oh, and Aganon gets her point. She's in for Rachel Landakis. She gets her first stint as part of the Lady Troopers. And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be shaky.
The power spikers need to get a good reception.
That was pretty good. And a good result. Mercado with a kill. But I'm sure si Jen Reyes is unfazed by Dindin Santiago. Teammate na dati, di ba?
Oh, actually, Reyes used to be the libero, di ba? Ang Philippine Army.
Yes.
Kinukuha siyang guest player nitong Philippine Army. So, sanay din yan sa galaw nitong Lady Troopers.
Yes. And I remember she was still in college at that time.
Yes. So, one of the talented liberos that we have here in the league.
That's right, but so far she has no answer for the combination plays of Philippine Army.
More substitutions for Philippine Army. Bunag in for Bautista.
Coach Rico obviously trying to get the players the feel, no? Giving them the feel of the third conference by putting them in. Finally!
Sabay ba na say the same thing. Finally, she gets a set and a kill. And a point, rather.
We were talking about Juanita Cotruang na previous rotation in front, 0 attempts.
Sayang yun eh. Diba yun yung mga rotation na manghihinayang ka din.
Free ball for Meralco.
Oh, but this time around, Misao making, really utilizing Cotruang.
So yun nga, we were saying earlier, nagkakapan pero makukuha din nila. And so far, yan, Cotruang will realize that Misao will be her best friend.
She has to be.
Yeah. 12 serving 21, a good serve. Balse, Bunag, good dig. Misao, Cotruang,
Cotruang tries to vary her attacks. Meron siyang strong attack, meron siyang drop ball.
but nakuha na ni Misao yung gusto ng set ni Cotruang. No support there. Salang was able to get a hand on it, but no support from the rest. 3 straight points for Meralco. Free ball.
Finally getting the hang of things.
Yep, that was Hernandez.
I was just about to say, na Cotruang, rather Misao had 3 consecutive sets to Cotruang. So mahuhuli din yung Army. But again, pinilitan niya, sined niya sa likod.
And she also has a mean serve. At iniiba-iba na yung serve niya. May short, may long. 22 serving 14. Gonzaga with a good serve. Cotruang.
The ball was on its way out.
Well, timeout by Coach Brian Esquivel for Meralco. Let's listen in.
Hinihintay pa natin mapalo bola, saka pa lang tayo tatakbo rito eh. Ha? So, anticipate ka agad natin kasi may dalawang blocker tayo dito. So, ang kukunin mo talaga yung check ball. So, long ball na yun. Ha? O, bakit tayo? Receive muna. Ha? Hindi pa tapos yan, hindi pa tapos. Dahan-dahanin lang muna ulit. Receive muna dyan, ha? Bakit tayo?
Okay, bye tayo.
Little bit adjust.
You can see Mary Jean Balta really just finding the hole there in that Meralco defense. Veteran move by Aggie.
And
Kita na eh, no?
she's known to really do that. So, alam niya na, basang-basa na niya yung kabilang court.
Yun yung court sense for you. Misao, Cochuang. Agno, try to chase it. Natawa siya kasi yung position niya. Medyo
Awkward.
awkward siya.
Na-realize din niya yun.
Oo. Ayun.
But things are very light on the side of the Lady Troopers, of course, because they have such a big lead at this point, and they just need 2 points to
Yep.
close the first set.
Yep. That's what a good start can do for a squad. Strong start for Army. Owano. Salak. Santiago goes to the net. And, even if Meralco is down here in the first set, we can see the difference kaagad of their brand of play from the start to now. Parang mas fluid na rin sila.
Yung start kasi they were just literally like staring at each other.
Oo.
Pero ngayon nakikita mo meron ng communication. They respond, they celebrate the points, even the errors of the opponent, which is a good sign.
And even if, let's say, ngayon nakita natin 17-23, if they go on to lose this set, at least they can look to the second set na positive kasi maganda na yung nilalaro nila ngayon.
Nahabol sila. It's just probably a little bit too late.
What a block by Abby Maranyo. Welcome to the V-League, Abby Maranyo.
And you hear the crowd cheering after that point.
What a
Oh, look at that.
block. Kinalabutan ako doon.
Oo.
Goosebumps.
Of course, we know Maranyo is one of the best middle blockers
Yeah. Yes.
as well. Especially during her collegiate days.
Oh, yeah.
But equally, itong si Balse.
During her time.
During her time.
Well, 24-18, we have set point for the Philippine Army. Good serve. Jen Reyes. Misao Maranyo, good cover. Mercado. Misao gives a free ball, a sky ball at that. Salak to Bunag. Block!
Oh, look at the blocking of the power spikers. On a roll.
That was Hernandez teaming up with Maranyo. Cochuang trying to stay in this first set. Agno. Salak. Tindin.
Oh. Powerful hit by Santiago.
Yep, just too much power in the first set of the first match here in the foreign reinforced conference of the V-League. Officially goes to Philippine Army, winning it 25-19, and our shake and play. Welcome to the Philippine Army naman, Tindin Santiago. Don't go away. We'll be back for the second set.
First set. And binanggit nga natin yun kanina, no? Meralco started off na nangangapa sa isa't isa. Philippine Army, of course, we've seen them play and reinforced pa with
Yeah.
the likes of Santiago. So all the more, it makes their lineup a powerhouse team.
And to begin with, they are already a powerhouse squad, and you add players like
Mahirap
Tindin
eh.
and Hinaganon. But over to the Meralco Lady Spikers.
I think
Power
Meralco
strikers.
did a good job, no? Dahil nailapit nila yung score. I mean, at the start of the set, the lead of Philippine Army was just too big. Pero nagawa nila ng paraan. They got the rhythm. Probably just a little bit too late.
Yes, that's right. But yung habol nila there towards the end of the first set, it's a good show na for them that if they can play that way, the second set will be totally different.
And I think one of the things that they had to adjust lang really was the communication on the floor as well. Kasi nung una, parang nagkakahiyain sila sa loob ng court.
Oh, good block there by Philippine Army. So, 2 serving 0. Tina Salak. Good serve. Cochuang. Misao. Maranyo with a tip.
Well-placed shot.
Showing us the versatility in her game. And that was over Dindin Santiago. So perfect yung tip niya. Kasi mahirap mag-tip kay Dindin Santiago. The reach.
Yeah.
Reach lang ni Dindin.
Height,
diba?
reach,
and jump. Lahat na. Good serve. Agno. Oh! Free ball bigla. Misao. Hernandez wasn't prepared. Takis makes them pay. Sayang yun, no? It was a free ball for Meralco and they were not able to capitalize.
And itong si Dakis, of course, making sure she gets that point. May exclamation pa dahil napakalakas nung kanyang palo.
And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shaky. Good serve. Misao. Oh, hitting air there by Hernandez. So again, a slow start for Meralco. They should, be aware na they can't make Army lead too much. Kasi kahit anong habol, ang hirap eh.
And actually, you want to relieve yourself of that pressure na
Also.
ikaw yung humahabol because you're up against a stronger team. So, I guess the key here is to make sure na malapit palagi yung score mo, Hindi mo palalayuin ang Philippine Army.
You're right. So, early timeout by Coach Brian trying to address that issue.
Ready lagi. Kasi pag binigyan ka ng bola, minsan magugulat. Ready ka. Receive muna tayo. Lumalayo yung score ng kalaban sa error natin. Hindi sa puntos na ginagawa nila. So, focus pa. Sige, bawi ka. Tara. Apat lang.
Well, we can see Dindin Santiago with a monster serve, an ace serve, and even Abby Maranyo cannot contain that. Talagang diba? Parang yung service na biglang
Oh,
eh.
It's floater, no?
Yeah.
Yung pag-float na talaga. And that's normally the harder ones to receive.
Yeah, that's true. Mga top spin na, diba?
Kaya mo na, nakakatan mo siya. But ito kasi, ang floater, you see it floating and then all of a sudden it drops. Ina-anticipate mo na.
That's right. Dakis, he does it. She'll take it. Miss it for Rachel Dakis, but she'll take the point. And Mikasa is the official ball of the Shaky City. Another strong start for Philippine Army. 6-1. Santiago still serving. A service error there for Dindin.
Finally for Meralco, Juanita Cotuang is in front. So expect na itong si Misa will give her some sets.
Like that. Like Gonzaga, the Bionic Ilongga.
I mean, for Philippine Army, you really have a lot of options. If you're Tina Salak, it's like a feast all the time.
Yeah.
Kahit saan ka humarap,
That's true.
meron at meron kang bibigyan. And if they, normally kasi maayos yung reception nila eh. So you'll see Tina, hindi na siya gagalaw. So you have options here in front.
Pati siya, option.
Pati siya option, tama.
Oh, Rachel Andakis with a new kind of serve. Hindi na siya yung stand serve, no? Cochuang. Good tip there by Juanita Cochuang. Hernandez now serving. It's 3 serving 7. Still in favor of the Philippine Army. Short serve. Salak to Balse. Good cover. Gonzaga. Balse. Misao. Cochuang. Off the blockers. That's what you were saying, and expect Misao to take advantage of that.
And Cotruang, of course, packed with so much power. Look at this. Finds a way to get the ball through. Hindi iniinda yung mga blockers.
Oo, wala siyang care, no? Hernandez, good serve. Agno. Salak. Combination play. Oh, good. Good take by Hernandez. Balse. Bautista. Oh, still alive. Good save.
Oh, mistimed already. Itong si Balse natawa na lang din eh. One handset, nakatalon na siya.
That's what you like about Army. Kahit nagkaka-error sila, they laugh at themselves
Oo.
eh. Kasi they know their capability. Kaya kung nagkaka-error, parang, diba?
Ano ba yan?
But we gotta give it to the defense of Meralco.
Oh, yeah.
Good save. Well-earned point. Well-deserved point. But hitting error there by Balsen. So look now, it's just a 1-point lead for Army.
Meralco, of course, would more than welcome those errors
Oh naman.
coming from Army side.
Good serve. In. Bautista. Marani was there. Misao. Good chase. Cochuang!
It was a good angle.
Yes.
Kung pumasok man yung bola, no, dahil walang tao.
That's right. But Army still ahead. 8-6. We'll be back.
It's her third time here in the Philippines. I asked her ano ang tingin niya sa mga Pilipino at syempre ano din ang tingin niya sa ating Philippine team. Sabi niya the Filipinos have great sense of humor, and as for the Philippine team, we have really good potential, especially that our athletes are very dedicated. According to Coach Brian naman, they're expecting Misao to bring more skills and talent where the Power Spikers can learn from her. On another note, the Power Spikers are expected to play faster and more aggressive this second set. Noreen, back to you.
Thanks, Rina. A bit of trivia about these players and so much experience Misao is bringing to this Meralco squad and to the V-League, for the matter.
And I'm sure yan din yung yung experience niya more than welcome dito sa side ng Meralco Power Spikers.
Gold medalist pala tong si Misao.
Oo nga.
Santiago, Misao was there. Hernandez. Cochuang! Agno!
And she gets that.
Salak, Misao. Hernandez sets it to Cochuang. Adlib. Bautista with a drop. Good save by Cochuang. Oano. Santiago was there. Salak to Balse!
Binaan sa bilis ni Salak and Balse.
Ganyan bumawi. Diba, Mary Jean Balse prior to the first technical timeout, may mga hitting error siya. But ganyan bumawi. That's a sign of a true MVP for you.
Look, na-late din sa talon nitong si Maranyo, no? Because the set, look at the set. It was just fed. As in, sinubo lang talaga kay Balse, no? Pagtalon ni Ging, napalo agad yung bola.
That's right. Maranyo. Salak. Dindin. Block. Good cover. Salak. To Nene Bautista, off the blockers. So action picking up here in the second set. Sa panahon ng tag-ulan, iwasan ang dengue. Lion Tiger Katol ang gamitin. Proudly Philippine. Good serve by Ging Balse. Cochuang. Chance ball halos. Bautista blocked. Coverage was there. Dindin with the tip. Chen Reyes was there. Misao. Cochuang. Bautista was there. Salak to Gonzaga. Maranyo was there. Misao. Cochuang. It's a tip. War. But Dindin ends it. Long rally, and
the defense of both squads working. Pero yun nga, no, itong Meralco, medyo nagkakagulo ng konti. Kinakapade nila.
That's right. Pero ang ganda ng rallies, parang as the second set progresses, ang hahaba na ng rallies. Good quality of volleyball. Another good serve by Balse. Isao Maranyo. Jen Reyes with a good save. Kochuang.
Gets the point off the block. And she has mastered that, really getting points off the block. Talagang nilalabas niya.
Kasi parang obviously she channels her power para, diba, off the blockers
And normally, when she hits the hands of the blockers, makikita mo hindi papasok sa loob ng court yung bagsak ng bola. It's always away. It's always at the sides, at the back.
And that's a hard talent to master, actually. Oh, service error there by Nene Bautista. It's 13-9. A better second set because for those who just joined us, Army really had big lead there in that first set.
Oh, but that one failing out for Misao.
Nice tit for tat there. Service errors. Ina Salak for Army. Short serve. Another service error. Abby Maranya now serving. 10 serving 14. Still in favor of the Philippine Army. And Shakey's V-League is powered by Motolite Battery. Pang matagalan. Good serve. Agno is there. Din. Blocked by Stephanie Mercado. Good read. Good anticipation. Stephanie Mercado is not really known as a blocker. Pero obviously throughout the years you develop that, no?
And it's all about the timing din eh.
Another good serve. Salak. Oh, Gonzaga.
Ang bilis ng bagsak ng bola, and also credit that point as well to Salak for that good set.
15-11 is the score. And Din Santiago now the serve. But you gotta see the advantage also of Army. They've got strong servers. Balse, Santiago, Dakis, diba? These are known to always be top of the list ng best servers.
Kaya nahihirapan din na mag-receive, kadalasan yung kalaban nila.
And Dakis gets another point, and going into the second technical timeout, Army still ahead 16-11. Residing in Pasig City. So again, like we always say during this time, that's why we also encourage people to come to the arena in San Juan, because you may always be chosen as you may be chosen as the face of the game.
And she brings home with her a bag from Shakey.
Oo, pero minsan pizza, diba?
Minsan pizza, minsan bag. But either way,
Oo.
still something good, to take home with you.
That's right. Mercado. Bautista was there. Salak. Gonzaga. Good pick by Kochuang. Misao. Mercado. Owano was there. Misao. Kochuang finds the corner.
Definitely a better showing here for the Power Spikers. They're down by 4. But kita natin, mas lumalaban here in the second set.
That was a perfect set. I mean, obviously, yun yung a comfortable set for Juanita Kochuang. And what a bonus because she's now in front. Kanina nakascore pa siya from the back. Good tip there by Jovelyn Gonzaga.
Salak just has too many options. So, ang daming kailangan bantayan din ng blockers ng Meralco, because you know that Salak can go in front, in the middle, or at the back.
Kulang na lang iset na kay Coach Rico.
Tapos may combination plays pa.
Misao has to make do. Kochuang. Dakis was there. Salak.
Nagtawanan na lang si Salak at saka si Gonzaga. Paano nga naman niya ipapasok yun?
Pero nakakatawa, parang Gonzaga tried to...
Ay, anong angle ba ng
Oo.
kamay? Ikaw na rin, paano mo ba ipapasok?
Kukuha ko ng badminton racket. Labo. You know,
Oh, hindi na.
funnier things happen in the V-League.
Now our first referee has to fix no, ano, na nagalaw siya ni
Oo.
Gonzaga. Umusog ng konti.
But it's nice to see Army enjoying themselves. No?
Oh,
Like,
yeah.
goofing around kahit, error.
They're having fun.
Good block there by Owano. And, it's a manageable 3-point lead for Meralco if they continue to take advantage of the fact that Kotruang is in front. Good serve.
And Hernandez so far has been consistent at the service line. But even more consistent is Bautista in finding those open spots on the other side.
Yep. That was a tough angle, no? Facing another, and hitting cross court. Misao, read by Bautista. Agno. Salak! Showing her spiking prowess.
Again, to those who don't know, itong si Tina Salak actually started out as an attacker
Yeah.
and converted into a setter. So definitely, she can do both.
Yeah. She was
Kaya
a
niya.
middle blocker.
Yes.
A middle hitter also.
Imagine that.
Yeah.
In the transition, no?
Oh, service error there by Owano. 19-15. Just a 4-point lead by Army, and Ging Balse up to serve. Good serve. Kotruang. Santiago was there, no? Parang nag-alangan lang siya to get it, but gumalaw siya to the
Oo.
right position.
Look at this. So she saw the drop. Nakaharap siya doon.
Oh. Well, Kotruang now at the back row for Meralco.
Oh, sends that straight into the net. So,
Oh, that's her second service error for the set. (20 serving 16, Bautista. Easy serve. Misao. Good read by Gonzaga.
oh, Salak again. Napapadalas yata.
Oh.
Na-miss ni Tina ang pagpalo.
That's right, and Meralco want to talk it over. Let's listen in.
Kailangan muna natin ma-receive ng maayos yung bola. Then, nagmamadali tayo pag medyo atras na masyado naka-forward, kaya tatama talaga sa mukha natin yung bola pagkala. Ha? So, hindi pa tapos. 5 lang yan. So, dahan-dahanin natin ulit. Ha? Gulong-gulong. Sige. Okay.
Well, we talked about it, and that's not it's not something wrong. Salak was the one spiking talaga. So minsan, bakit si Salak spiker na? Yeah, spiker na si Tina Salak.
No, tapos may approach pa talaga.
Oo. You have to watch more games to know if we're telling the truth or not. Yeah, giving the opportunity, we have setters like Ruby De Leon, Salak. These people can actually spike.
Aranyo gets that point. For Meralco, this set is not yet over.
Yep. You can see Abby Maranyo doing what she does best, the running attack. Well, 17 serving 21, Misao. Gonzaga. Salak, Takis with a drop.
The attackers of Philippine Army just too smart. Nakikita natin ngayon, no? Hinahanapan lang talaga ng
Oo.
butas yung depensa ng Meralco.
And making it look easy, no? And if it's Fun Family Pizza, gotta be shaky.
But Maranyo, itong si Misao, no? Nakikita niya high percentage si Maranyo with that running attack.
Well, obviously, ang first option niya is Juanita Cotruang, but if Maranyo's in front, then Maranyo's been getting the sets. Dindin, good dig by Cotruang. Free ball, Agno, Salak, back to Dindin. Alam ni Tina na hindi naman mapapagod tong si Dindin, bata ka ba ito?
Kayang-kaya niya.
Kahit 5 sets.
Sunod-sunod. Parang ganyan din naman drills.
Drills,
pagka
drills.
nasa training, dire-diretso isang attacker lang.
Ilan balls? 30 balls. 23-18, Santiago. What a serve. Mercado. Bautista was there. Takis with a free ball. Mercado. Misao. Hernandez. Bautista, Salak. Gonzaga with a tip.
Oh, and these drop balls, it's really a problem right now for Meralco. Hindi nakaka-adjust, nakakabasa yung depensa nila.
Oh, and they've been scoring off the drop. So talagang Army just making it look really easy.
So far, some difficulties in adjusting sa kanilang depensa itong Meralco.
Yep. Well, we have set point. Dindin Santiago serving 24-18. Cotruang, Misao. Oh, and a miscue, a free ball. Santiago. Salak. Oh, that's it. That's it.
Very convincing win here in the second set again by the Lady Troopers.
Well, they were challenged more, no, in this set than the first set. But we can see that Meralco slowly but surely gelling here in this match. And as we can see, our shaky shake and play combination play, and the Bionic Ilongga wins the first set for the Philippine Army. That's first set and second set, 25-18. Don't go away. We'll be back for the third set. And Army just, playing an overall a better game. And what happened there in the second set, Anne?
Well, just like the first set, we see that in terms of the attack department, lamang ulit ang Philippine Army, 16 points as opposed to only 10 of Meralco. In terms of errors ngayon, halos pantay lang sila, no? But I think Meralco was able to challenge Philippine Army in the second set more than they did in the first. Kaya lang, kulang ba rin talaga ng push. And I think the key there for Meralco is for them to make sure na hindi nila hahabulin at palalayuin itong Philippine Army.
That's right. A better showing naman for Meralco, even if they lost it. But what's nice about Philippine Army is when they are challenged, they step up to the challenge. And defense was there. But Army has a new 6. Michelle Carolino, Joanne Bunag, and Jeannie Sabas in.
Actually, yung mahirap lang dito sa lineup ng Philippine Army, kahit yung second stringers, parang first stringers
Oh.
na rin. You would remember itong si, of course, Carolino. Bago dumating din si Takis, of course, was the starter here for, and also one of the best players that we have here in the country. Bunag, also, actually, ang dami nilang, dito, FEU, no? FEU graduates. Yung Salak, and Bunag is there. Actually, sa lineup ng Philippine Army.
And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be shaky. Ganyan ka-deep ang bench ng Army.
Oo. Ang dami mong pwedeng ipalit.
Barada. Trying a top spin, but too much juice there. Pero can you imagine their practice, talking about Army? Ang saya siguro ng practice nila kasi first 6 against, di ba normally tayo, first 6 against second 6.
Match na match yung nila.
Oo, parang ang saya. I-mix up mo ng konti, ipasok mo di ba, let's say si Nene Bautista, lagay mo sa kabila. Parang ang saya pa rin. So another good serve by Jeannie Sabas. another good start by Army. Well, Shakey's V-League is powered by Multilite Battery, pang matagalan. Oh, another...
Oh, that one is out.
That was close, huh? At least from our angle. So, Maika Morada in naman for Meralco. Maika Morada is from FU, was from FU as well.
Yes.
Isao Owano. This should be a joust.
And it's in.
And Michelle Carolino gets the point there for Army. 5 serving 2. And Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League.
Agno is also from FEU.
Yes. That's right. Owano with a tip. Salak. Gonzaga sent it to Joan Bunag. And that did not cross.
Malamig pa si Bunag.
And Joan Bunag has always played the middle blocker position. But now they're moving her as an open hitter.
Well,
or
back
outfitter.
during her college days, kaya niya kasi yung both positions. So, siya yung player na pinapalit-palit talaga ng posisyon.
Oh. Kahit saan pwede.
Oo, kahit saan pwede yan. I've seen her play all positions. Siguro hindi lang yung setter. Kahit libero.
Good serve by Gonzaga. Ochuang. Salak. Balseo punches it over. Misao to Morada. Agno was there. Salak. To Bunag. Jen Reyes was there. Ochuang with another tip. Di makapalo si Ochuang, ano? Gonzaga from the back row. And you were talking about it, the options of Philippine Army. Even with this new 6.
There's still a lot. And I'm sure yung lahat ng ikot ng to, dahil sa tagal na rin nilang magkakasama,
Yeah.
they've really mastered it. No matter kung sino yung anim na ilalagay mo on the floor, meron at merong play yan.
And an ace serve by Jove Gonzaga. Army ahead going to the first technical timeout, 8-3.
Kailangan magtulungan sila, especially dun sa pag-block nila ng bola dito sa gitnang parte ng net. And more importantly, kailangan din nila to increase on their scoring percentage by creating and contributing points for the team. Back to you, Noreen.
Rina? Well, Meralco has got to find a solution and fast because they are down 2 sets in this match and they are down 3-9.
And ito yung nakikita natin na mahirap, because it's added so one thing is that they need to catch up, kailangan nila pumuntos.
Yes.
Pero yung pressure na ang layo rin ng score ng kalaban, they have to eliminate that. So dapat hindi rin ganun kalaki nila pinapalamang ang Philippine Army. But that's easier said than done, of course, because we
Yes.
know how difficult it is to go against a team like Philippine Army.
That's right. And again, for those who just joined us, this is the reinforced conference of the Shakey's V-League. And Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. And the mighty Philippine Army has added Dindin Santiago and Nina Aganon to their fold. And for Meralco, they have Juanita Cochuang and Misao Tanyama as guests.
But right now, Philippine Army is enjoying a 7-point lead, and looking at the lineup, wala pa nga dyan sila Santiago.
Oh. And a timeout called by Meralco. Let's listen in.
Tulong-tulong muna sa receive dahil nga sa receive manggagaling yung atake natin. Kung hahayaan lang natin na bumagsak ang bola sa harap natin, ano mangyayari? Ha? Give some effort naman. Jen, sobra-sobra yung receive mo. Ha? Tara! Hey!
Ging Balse has been serving well for Philippine Army and an ace serve at that. And a commanding 8-point lead, 12-4. Meralco Aurelian has got to do something drastic at this point of the match.
course, they welcome those errors coming from the other side. Pero yun nga, yung importante dito is for them to really make the points.
Yep.
Diba? Dahil past 2 sets, yun yung nakikita natin kulang on the offensive side of the game. Ano sila hindi sila makatapat ngayon sa Lady Troopers.
Oo. You know, they should take it 1 point at a time. And Jeannie Sabas with a hitting error. Army complaining about possible net violation. But quick serving 12 sa panahon ng tag-ulan, iwasan ang dengue. Lion Tiger Katol ang gamitin. Proudly Philippine made. Salak. Jeannie Sabas will take it. But you gotta give credit to Tina Salak,
Oo.
For her age, mahirap na yung ginagawa niyang squat set, Tawag na squat set.
Let's take a look at that
Oh,
again.
bata
Bumaba. Alam mo yan si Tina minsan, pagka nagagalit yan sa mga teammates niya, palagi niyang sinasabi, ako pagod na.
Oo
Huwag
nga.
niyo ako pahirapan maghabol ng bola. yun yung ano niya, para umayos yung reception nila.
Now, for the Tina Salak fans, we're just goofing around. And senior ako ni Tina, so may right ako. Di ba ganun yun?
Ganun yun.
May seniority din. Love ko
Masasabi
yan.
ko lang, kababayan ko siya.
Ay,
Kapitbahay ko
correct.
siya.
Correct. So, pwede pa natin na-feel. Michelle Carolino with that kill. You know, it's so nice to see her play again. I know she's been, busy with Army duties. I see it on Facebook. And we should remember that Michelle Carolino also helped this V-League, put the V-League on the map.
Actually, it's yung Carolino sisters
Yes.
have really gained a lot of fans, and yan yung mga mid-years natin dito sa Shakey's V-League. Yan din yung mga suking guest players natin.
Saka they were also part of the national team way back when. Oh, good dig there by Cochuang. Jen Reyes will give up a 3 ball. Gonzaga, Salak to Sabas!
Good play.
Everyone getting a piece of the Tina Salak pie.
And yung maganda sa quick ni Tina Salak, hindi mo napapansin. It's really Tina feeding the ball to the spiker, kaya ang bilis ng bagsak ng bola.
That's right, and an ace serve there. 16-7, still Army.
All around. And they really respect her, no?
Yes.
As one of the seniors.
They do.
Oo, diba?
Which
The
goes
Lady
to
Troopers.
show what type of a person she is on and off the court. I mean, off the court. So, she really commands respect from her teammates.
Meantime, for Meralco, they're halfway through, no? The score of Philippine Army. They need to do something and do it now. Ilang beses natin yung
Drastic.
sinabi, pero I guess ito may urgency na talaga dapat.
Oh, good dig by Bunag. Salak, Carolino, Cochuang, Misao, Mercado. I believe, with Jelling, ibang lalaroin ng Meralco. Look at the setting of Misao, diba? If she can really connect with the players, the spikers, and, be familiarized with what they want, oh my God, I'm sure Meralco would really be a force to be reckoned with.
Because right now, hindi pa rin natin, all-star cast din to pero like Mercado, for example, we haven't really seen much from her
Yes.
in this game. Even Morada.
But for Philippine Army, everybody playing well. For those who just joined us, if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be shaky. For those who just joined us, this is the first game of the third conference, the reinforced conference of the 11th season of the Shakey's V-League. And so far, the game, Army against Meralco, and Army looking good here. And as I say that, Meralco sues for time. Let's listen in.
Guys, parang hindi tayo magkakilala sa loob ng court. We need to receive first. Then, receive. Hindi tayo makaka-atake. Sinasabi ko sa inyo. kung wala yung receive na sinasabi natin. Ha? Kung aasa lang tayo sa guest player, hindi pwede. Kailangan magtulong-tulong. Pati local, kailangan tumulong. Ha? So, minsan tayo matigas sa loob ng court. Ayan tayo.
Well, Jeannie Sabas of the Philippine Army showing us, she too, I mean, everyone really contributing to this, the Lady Troopers cause. Everyone has, I think, has played already in this game. No, not everyone, but most
Almost.
of them. Yeah.
Almost all.
And a 9-point lead. Jeannie Sabas serving 18-9. Service error there for Meralco. Need to really wake up here in this match if they want to force at least another set, because they are down 2-0. I'm Naringo together with Andre Muliacanda and Rina Villamor bring you this first game of the ladies division here in the 11th season of the V-League. Free ball. Bunag, Salak.
Oh, excellent set. Good attack from Carolino.
Who's showing us she still got it. You can see it. The Michelle Carolino showing us that, yeah, she still got it. And substitution for Philippine Army, Mina Aganon is in for Joanne Punag.
Oh, nice one-hand set. Oh, ball is good.
Wala na.
Dinaan sa bilis.
Oano with a tip. Pero, you know, Tina Salak actually used Agno as a wall, used the body as a wall, and they were able to save that.
Salak, not happy.
Oh.
Missing that ball.
Good serve, Carolino. Salak. Aganon with a tip. Good read. Salak with a chase. Gonzaga. Mercado. Misao to Kochua.
Oh, powerful hit.
Juanita Kochua hails from Thailand.
Could be a good rotation right now for Meralco with Kotruang in front.
Oh, just a 7-point lead. Still possible. Good block. Aganon was there. Salak.
Oh, but Salak, just being the experienced player that she is.
Oh, now everyone has played. I think everyone. Salak and Gonzaga get the well-deserved rest. Gonzalez and Dalia Cruz in. Sarah Jean Gonzalez serves that into the net. So my Camarada serving 13-20. Still a 7-point lead for Philippine Army. Good serve. Carolino. Gonzalez sets it to Mina Aganon. How fitting, no? Kung lahat ng players ng Army may point.
Oo. Magandang ano yun. Because it means na actually, like Salak earlier gave a chance to everyone. She tried to distribute the sets. Let's see if Gonzalez can do the same.
Isao. Kotruang with a tip. Maranyo was there. Jen Reyes chases.
Oh, Misao with that hit!
And she gives Kotruang a hug. Kasi parang,
Dalawa sila.
oh,
But Kotruang gave way, ano? So, take a look at that again.
Nagbanggaan pa.
Nagbanggaan pa pala.
No, pero immediately after that, I saw Misao go and hug Cotruang. Parang, okay, sorry, you were there also. Owano. Agno was there. Gonzalez. Dalia Cruz. Misao to Maranyo. Aganon. Mercado saves that. Misao to Cotruang.
Powerful attack.
You can see that connection, the Japanese and the Thai connection. Is a point for Meralco. Owano serving 15, serving 21, and an ace. Ace serve by Maureen Owano. So what, the goal right now of Meralco is just to bring the score closer. Diba? I mean, 1 point at a time.
And actually, nakikita natin they're more relaxed at this point. But again, ang nagiging problema, just like in that last point, they're having difficulties in reading the drop balls.
Yes. That has been their problem in today's game. In all the sets, actually.
Yes. Consistently, walang adjustment. But in other aspects, they've adjusted when it comes to defense. We see now that there's more offense as well on their side.
Yep.
But it's that one thing. And again, a drop ball.
On cue and on cue. It's a tip party for Army. 23-16 is the score. Aganon serving for Philippine Army. Cotruang with a shank. Jen Reyes. Maranyo. Finding zone 1. Easy does it for Abby Maranyo.
And at this point, actually, still not impossible here for Meralco to bring their score, to tie it first muna, with the Philippine Army. But that would mean that everything that they would do from this point on is gonna be perfect. Bawal sila mag-error.
Oo.
But how can that be if you have the likes of Michelle Carolina right there and there's no defense?
How can?
And if itong si Coach Rico parang hindi pa rin na-satisfy on the last point.
A design play yan.
Oo. What's nice about the Lady Troopers, you see them smiling throughout. Not because they're hindi dahil it's just that they're really enjoying the game.
That's right.
And Jove Gonzaga knew that
she was trying to elude Misao pero sobra. But anyway, still match point for the Philippine Army. Misao. Chance ball or free ball. Misao. Tumaranyo tips it over. Gonzaga was there. Salak sends it to Michelle Carolino. And that's all she wrote. Philippine Army wins the first game in the first ever third conference of the Shakey's B-League. This is the reinforced conference. And Army played their normal game. But what does Meralco have to do in their coming games?
I think for Meralco, for one, they need to start more aggressively. And as we saw, the team has talent and it's there. It's just that they have to work on the gelling as well of the players inside the court to add to that language barrier.
That's right. But things can only look brighter for the Meralco squad and our shaken.
Getting music doesn't have to be this hard. Now it's easy with Spinner from Smart. The country's first music streaming app that upgrades your music experience. Download now to enjoy unlimited streaming for only $2.50 a day with no added data charges. Listen to millions of songs wherever you go. Change the way you enjoy music with Spinner. Free 15-day trial.
Now you can get ultra-fast internet speeds with Smart Pro's most affordable LTE plan. For as low as $5.99 a month, no lock-in period. What are you waiting for? Get tomorrow's internet now. Smart Pro.
Hey, listen. Let me tell you a secret. Let me tell you why a girl like me is so head over heels for the new Shakey's Pizza 1954. The secret's in the crust. The new gourmet crust. Then it is topped with only the finest ingredients and fresh herbs. The new Shakey's Pizza 1954. Now that's what I call a throwback.
What's a fun place to get great deals?
We always get the meal deal. There's something in it for everyone.
There's pizza, chicken, pasta.
It's worth it. That's why we're always here.
At Shakey's, we want to give you a fun time. So now you can choose what pizzas go with your monster meal and
Kundi si Tina Salak ng Philippine Army Team. Tina, this is the first time that you've gone against the Meralco Power Spikers, diba? Nakita nyo bang isang threat yung kanilang Japanese import at saka yung kanilang Thai player dito sa larong ito?
Actually, yung ngayon kasi, yung season kasi ngayon, lahat may imports, kami lang yung wala. So, yung pinaghahandaan namin talaga is kung paano namin unang-una sa block talaga. Kasi yun lahat, most ng kinuha nilang players is puro spikers eh. Isa lang yung setter. So, doon kami nagko-concentrate mo. Since lahat naman sila threat talaga, kailangan lang mag-double time.
Ayan. Tapos sa paghahandaan nyo ba ang Cagayan team? Kasi yung mga nakaraan yung laban, nagpa 5 sets kayo against sa Cagayan team. So, paano ang preparation nyo against them?
So, for sure kasi babawi sila. So, kaya yun ngayon, kailangan din namin ng tulong nila din. So, magpo-focus kami ngayon sa blocking din, sa receive din.
Ayan, may mga gusto ka bang batiin at pasalamatan para sa larong ito?
First of all, maraming salamat po doon sa Philippine Army po, kay General Bayani po, maraming salamat po sa suporta. Kay Commander po, Commander PA, kay Commander ASCOM, General Riberi po at General Cruz, maraming salamat po. At lahat po na sumusuporta po sa Philippine Army Lady Troopers, manood po kayo dito live, maganda po yung laban namin ngayon.
Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang ating Shakey's representative para ibigay sa iyo ang iyong Best Player Prize. Maraming salamat sa iyo and good luck sa mga susunod pang laban ng Philippine Army Team. That's it from my end. I'll turn you back to Noreen and Anne.
Well, thanks, Rina. So, Anne, good showing today in both matches, actually, and sign of brighter games ahead.
That's right. And of course, it was a very convincing win by the Lady Troopers today. Oo, dyan natin makikita yung experience at maturity ng mga players ng Lady Troopers.
At yung age ng mga players. Nagpe-player of the game pa
Oo.
yung batang setter na si Tina Sala.
Yan naman.
Okay, we're saying that kasi she's right in front of us. Diba?
Nagbabantay.
So anyway, just keep it here in the Shakey's V-League. There'll be more beautiful games, better action, and I expect a lot of high quality volleyball. So in